Friends, does this place look familiar? Does this dog look familiar? Hey, bud? Does this guy look familiar?
Who's that?
In case you're new here, this shed actually used to be my workshop. My dad and I built this 12 by 12 shed from the ground up about 6 years ago on his property so that I could have a place to run my side hustle as a woodworker and a DIY content creator. In fact, this shed was pretty much the birthplace of the DIY Huntress YouTube channel. Today is a special day because we're gonna start clearing this out into the garage shop because what are we doing with this shed shop, Dad?
I'm not sure.
Come on. We're building, Dad, a man cave in my shed shop.
Wonderful.
Now, although this shop was my happy place for a while, I do now have a new, bigger garage shop that I'm currently renovating. So first step to giving this space to my dad was to clean out my own stuff to take to my brand new workshop. All right, last of my stuff is pretty much gone. I just got to take a couple brackets off the wall. That's his slab. He's got a special project planned for that. But we got most of my stuff in here. We're gonna go load that up, bring it to my house. And then once he's done with his clean out portion of the deal, then I'm gonna come back in here and we are going to make this thing look like a man cave. So after giving a few days to Dad for him to pare down on what was left in the shed, it was finally time to start demoing, starting with the doorway because I wanted to give this space and give him a brand new door with lots of light. And spoiler alert, I'm so jealous of this door.
Well, it's party, but it worked.
Man, demoing the space with Dad is really bittersweet. Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey friends, hey friends. Hi friends, it's Sam from DIY Huntress. So much has happened in the 6 years since we built this shed. When I started out in here, I was a broke college kid bargain hunting for materials and projects to make ends meet. But as my skills and my business grew, I wanted to challenge myself. So I spent every free minute I had working on bigger and better projects and recording every step along the way, not just for myself, but to help teach others how to build as well. And along the way, I found this amazing community of all of you who helped cheer me on and grow with me. And together we watched my side hustle turn into a full-time career. And working in here again makes me think about how much we've achieved and how quickly time has passed. And while I'm so sad to see it go, I'm ready to turn what was my happy place for so long into a happy place for my dad. It is time to install this monster of a door, but we're gonna need some extra help. So I called in some extra help from Lindsay. Let's go!
Well, I'll see you guys later.
So Lindsay was in town for a local event and we were long overdue for a fun date. So she hung out for the weekend to help me with this man cave transformation. Now, if you don't know Lindsay, she is an amazingly talented maker from California who legitimately has the most infectious smile, laugh, and energy level. She literally brings the fun to every single event and project she's part of. So if you are not following her, then you are quite frankly missing out on the fun. So go check her out. I've linked her channel and her Insta below this video for you so you can stalk her and subscribe to her. Don't worry, you can thank me later for the introduction. So honestly, I was so grateful for Lindsay's help because installing this new door actually ended up being a job and a half, but we were totally able to get it done in an afternoon. And yeah, I'm way jealous of how these doors look. They're so pretty. But once the doors were installed, Lindsay and I just took some time to prep the rest of the space for work the next day because we are doing a lot the next day. Friends, Lindsay and I back in the not so shed shop anymore. Can we talk about these doors? Are you kidding me? They're amazing. I'm actually really jealous I didn't have these when I was working in here every day. I messed up. This is Lindsay's last day here, so we're getting everything done. We are gonna clean up this mess, touch up paint, trim work, make this place look like a man cave for Dad.
Man cave it up.
So excited, let's do it!
Let's go.
So for those of you who don't know my dad yet, my dad loves classic cars. He has been restoring them since I was a kid. He has cycled through many classic cars. I get my love for like tinkering and building things from him. So he really wanted his new man cave to be classic car themed, which Lindsay and I had a blast making happen for him, especially because we were allowed to do something fun in order to find the decor for this space. This is a big deal because this right here is my dad's real pride and joy. And he just gave Lindsay and I permission.
We're going hog wild.
We're going shopping. Look at all this fun stuff we're gonna steal off the walls for the shed. His little pictures, little trophies. Oh look, he's got my logo in here. How cute is that? All right, Dad, you gave us permission. We're going crazy, let's go. One of these. I'll take one of these. We're definitely taking this. That's cool. It's gonna be great. We hit the jackpot. All right, Lindsay is really good at gallery walls. She has like the best vision ever. We're gonna start taking this whole haul, getting it up on the wall. I'm gonna go steal some more plants from my parents' house.
Commandeering. You're just
We're
commandeering.
borrowing. After doing some shopping in Dad's garage, we were in full-blown hustle mode because this was actually my last day with Lindsay. She did have to leave for an event after this, which was like so sad. I wish I could have kept her here forever. But anyway, because she is so good at what she does, I let Lindsay do her thing on the inside of this man cave for Dad, and at this point Dad was totally kicked out of the man cave. He was not allowed back inside until reveal day. But I can't say the same for Mom, who had lots of opinions about the fact that I totally stole her houseplants to put inside of my dad's man cave.
Oh, I see that you are borrowing my plant.
Yeah, what's the problem?
Commandeering them.
Now, while Lindsay worked her magic on that back wall of the shed, it was my job to work on the outside of the shed, and I started with staining and sealing the new doors, which I know I mentioned this before, but I'm so jealous. I wish I had these when I was working in the shed because they bring so much natural light. Wait till you see them finished. They're amazing. Also, at this point, we did actually cover up the windows so Dad could not see into the shed because we did still have to do some work on the outside to make the outside look like nice, you know? Friends, how good do those doors look? So today Dad and I are gonna be working here. He already went full dad mode and moved some stuff without my help because like, why not, right? We are gonna try to make this like patio area look like a patio.
I'm such a square.
Yeah, you are, but we love you anyway. The only other ask my dad had in addition to a classic car theme was he wanted it to feel like an entertaining space because my parents do a lot of entertaining in their backyard, and so he wanted kind of like a patio, charcoal grill area in addition to whatever was happening on the inside. So we're gonna make that happen for him. If you follow me on social media, this might look a little familiar because I did actually show this part of the project already because my friends at the Home Depot helped this project come to life for me for Dad, which is full circle because they actually helped me build the shed to begin with. But anyway, at this point it was time for finishing touches, so I officially kicked Dad out to get it done. We did it. Tiles are down. We got some cleanup to do. You're not allowed back here until the shed's done.
All right, bye. Gotta go.
Okay, bye, I gotta go.
Bye.
So luckily, Lindsay did pretty much most of the heavy lifting on the inside. There were just a couple of little finishing touches that I wanted to add. I also really wanted to get the outside of that shed looking proper for entertaining for my dad before he had his big reveal. And it's really honestly amazing how just adding a couple of small little personal touches to this space made this shed shop go from full workshop chic to classy vintage car man cave. I'm so excited for this reveal. Let's do it. Step up. This way.
You know, this happened.
Good?
Bigger.
Are we good?
I think so.
All right, ready?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Aha! That looks good.
That
You
looks...
took the plates?
Yeah, you said we could take whatever we wanted.
That's awesome.
Welcome to your hangout spot.
Look at that.
Look.
Nelly, stay out.
What do you think?
Good.
Like it?
Yeah, you do. Oh, I didn't even see the big picture behind me.
And look at your light fixture.
Yeah, I like that too.
We stocked your bar for you with Bud
I
Zero.
can see.
Yay! Successful project! This is actually going to be the last video in the shed shop, and I have all the feels about it. In October 2022, I walked away from the shed shop thinking it was my last video in there, but I'm so honored to have had one more project in this space for my dad. And listen, I'd be lying if I said walking away from this shop was not an emotional thing for me. It really is. But now that it's been given a new life, a new purpose, I can officially turn the final page of the important chapter of my life that was in here and continue to write a new chapter in my new almost finished shop that I cannot wait to share with you. We saw so many amazing milestones happen in this space together, and I'm so excited to see what milestones come next for us in our new one. I could not do any of it without you though, and I'm so grateful for all of you. So thank you for helping my little DIY dreams come true every single day.